Hi everyone. So today we're going to be looking at finding the equation of a tangent to a function when you're given an x value. So here we have our function x squared plus 5x minus 14, and it tells us to find the equation of the tangent when x equals 1. So first things first, we know with our y equals mx plus b situations that we're going to use later, we need to have a coordinate. So let's just find that right off the bat. So 1, let's just find a coordinate. Find coordinate. How do we find the coordinate? Well, we can just find the coordinate by plugging in whatever x value into our equation. So we can have f at 1 is going to be equal to 1 n squared plus 5 times 1 minus 14. So that's going to be 1 plus 5 minus 14. So that means 1 plus 5 is 6 minus 14. That's going to be minus 8. So we have a coordinate now at 1 and minus 8. Now that we have this coordinate, we can actually find the slope of our tangent. How do we find the slope of our tangent? Well, first we have to derive the function, and then we plug in that x value into the derivative. So 2, we want to derive function, and the derivative of this function would just be f prime of x is equal to, well, the derivative of that is going to be 2x plus 5. Step 3 is to find the slope of the tangent. And how do we do this? Well, we always find the slope, or the IROC, you can think about it that way as well, by plugging in whatever x value we're working with into the derivative. So it's going to be f prime of 1 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 5. This is going to be 2 plus 5. That equals to 7, which means we know now our m for our tangent or our slope is equal to 7, right? And then we can have step 4 here on the side where it's just putting it all together, putting it all into an equation of a line. And what does that entail? Well, we know our m is equal to 7, and we have a coordinate at 1 and minus 8. And then we just go back to our old school, y is equal to mx plus b. We can plug in our slope of 7, y is equal to 7x plus b. And then we can plug in our coordinate, right, for our x and y. Remember, 1 is going to be our x, and then negative 8 is going to be our y. So negative 8 is equal to 7 times 1 plus b. Negative 8 is equal to 7 plus b. And then we can bring over that 7. So minus 8 minus 7 is equal to b. So negative 15 is equal to b. So therefore, our final equation of our tangent is y is equal to 7x minus 15. And this is the steps you got to take. Depending on what function, the derivative might look a little bit different, but these overall steps are all going to be identical for anything moving forward. Thanks, everyone.